Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you guys how I spend my afternoon, what I do. So I'm getting ready to go home now, get dressed, and I'm showing you guys what I wore today. And we're just waiting for a couple parents to come and collect, and then we're gonna close up and go home. So now I'm heading to one of the bus stops. Now this is not the main bus stop, but drivers are legally able to go and collect there and other few spots. I'm going there because it's the nearest one to me. I am walking to a cemetery to get there. It's just the easiest route for me. So now I'm in a van and we're heading to our main bus stop to collect some passengers, and then we're gonna be heading home. So now that they have collected the other passengers, we are on our way home. This is the Catholic Church. I'm now on my way home. The van takes about 15 minutes to get to my destination and about 20 minutes to finish that trip when everybody gets home, and then it goes back to town to collect and continue until one of the first things I do when I get home is take out my lunch containers. I then change into something comfortable. I really wanted to try this beef stew. I'm not a fan of canned food or packaged food, especially if they're already fully cooked. But I really wanted to try it, so that's what I'm doing for dinner with rice as well. Now, in case this didn't work out, I had a backup plan. I already had some chicken taken out of the freezer just in case this doesn't work out. To be honest with you, the more the beef stew thickens and melted, the more it started to smell amazing, but I was still skeptical about the taste of it. So dinner is finally done, and after I finish eating dinner, I'm going to take a shower, relax, and spend some time with my family, and just get ready for tomorrow. To be honest with you guys, the beef stew didn't taste as bad as I thought it was. It was really surprising and it was really good. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I think for me it needed a bit of spiciness and more flavoring, but I would definitely eat it again. If you guys like this kind of vlog videos, let me know. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.